Good afternoon. This is TATOLI News Agency, bringing you the latest updates in Timor-Leste and around the world. Breaking news today, Timor-Leste's government has declared a 7-day nationwide mourning for the death of Pope Francis. Timor-Leste's government declares a 7 days of national mourning following the passing of His Holiness Pope Francis. In a joint decision by the President of the Republic, the Prime Minister, and the President of the National Parliament, it has been ordered that the national flag be flown at half-mast across the country. During this period of mourning, special masses and tributes will be held, including a ceremony at TATOLI, all in coordination with the Vatican. To support any public participation in these solemn events, the government is also considering the granting of special leave. An outpouring of grief in Timor-Leste after the death of the 270th Pope. In the capital city of Dili today, faithful Catholics gathered at the Lisideri grounds to express their heartfelt condolences for the passing of Pope Francis. The tribute took the form of a joint prayer and a candlelit vigil as the nation joins the global Catholic community in mourning the loss of the Holy Father. Pope Francis passed away on April 21st at 7:35 a.m. local time in Rome at Casa Santa Marta following complications from a stroke, coma, and cardiorespiratory failure. In honor of His Holiness, the Catholic community in Timor-Leste will attend a funeral mass, joining millions around the world in prayer and remembrance. The Archbishop Don Virgilio departs to Vatican for the Pope Francis's funeral as well as conclave. His Eminence Don Virgilio do Carmo da Silva, Cardinal Archbishop of Dili, has left for Rome today to attend the funeral of His Holiness Pope Francis and to take part in the conclave to elect the next Pope. His departure follows an urgent request from the Dean of Cardinals for a meeting in preparation for the papal election. Speaking at the Nicolau Lobato Airport in Dili, Don Virgilio said he received the message early this morning and had to travel immediately. Pope Francis, the 270th head of the Catholic Church, passed away on April 21st in Rome at the age of 88 due to a stroke, coma, and cardiorespiratory failure. Pope Francis is said to be laid to rest at the Basilica of Santa Maria Maggiore, honoring his personal wish and marking a rare break from tradition where most popes are buried beneath St. Peter's Basilica. With this final act, he leaves behind a legacy as unique as his papacy. As the seat of St. Peter's stands empty, the conclave will soon begin and the world will turn its eyes to Rome, watching closely as cardinals from across the globe gather to select the next pope, waiting to see who will lead the church next and how. Will the first smoke from the Sistine Chapel be black, signifying for no decision, or white for a new pope? Who will carry forward the mission? And will they continue Pope Francis's path or forge a new direction entirely? So many questions and soon to be answered. But for now, that is all. We do ask that you stay tuned for the continuation of the coverage of this solemn moment in history. I'm Digna Sarang, reporting for TATOLI.